Welcome. In front of me is a Apple Watch Ultra 2, and today I'll do a test fit and a look at this watch strap that you can buy, and just to see how it feels, looks, and so on. So without further ado, let's actually get into it. Right off the bat, funny thing, made in China, like I couldn't tell. So anyway, here's our strap. Oh, that's magnetic. That's actually interesting. So let's put it right away on here. It's gonna slide decent. Now the clips right here are metal, so that's pretty nice. Some straps come with plastic ones, which obviously I don't really want to have plastic straps or these buckles on your $1,000 watch. If this could clip in, that would be fantastic. Come on. Let's try it from the other side. There we go. So I'm gonna say right off the bat, the collar doesn't really fit the rest of the watch. That is something to obviously notice. If you have a gold one, which I don't think they do have gold ones, then this might be fitting a little bit better to your watch, or maybe black one would also fit with the gold one a little bit better. Obviously this is universal, so this kind of strap can be used on different watches as well. I'm just using the Ultra because I have it at hand. Now with that being said, let's see how it fits over a wrist. A very skinny one on top of that, because let's be honest, my wrists are absolutely tiny. And there we go. Now, once on, actually feels kind of okay. It's gold. It looks a little bit tacky, I'm not gonna lie. But in terms of like, maybe if you have a black one, that would actually be pretty okay. It also, as you can see me pulling on it, quite hard. I'm scared that I'm gonna break the wrist strap itself rather than pull this off. So it doesn't really shift down. I'll probably need to be pulling on it really hard to actually pull it down. And applying it, obviously it's very simple. It's just a magnet. As you can see, it's right now kind of loose. So you pull it and literally just drop it in place, and it's there. It's not gonna go anywhere. So it seems very simple, but it actually works, which surprised me right now because that's the first time I'm checking out such a strap. So there we go. Now, in terms of the aesthetics, like I mentioned, it's a little bit on a tacky side, at least the gold one. Black one probably would have been a little bit better, or maybe one that comes the exact same color as the frame of this watch. That would also be pretty good. Now, the quality of it feels a little bit cheap. It is made in China after all, but it does work, which obviously for a strap, that's all you care for. So it works. And additionally, the buckles that are holding onto the actual watch itself are also made out of metal, so that's one of the good things, because for instance, one like this one comes with plastic ones. To be honest, I think most of them come with plastic ones, so these ones as well. So in some cases, the plastic straps might not be obviously good. They're not going to be as durable as a metal one, like this one. I'm not exactly sure. I think this one also has metal. This is the default one that comes with the watch itself, so this is the original strap. But obviously this one feels more premium than any of the other ones that you can buy. So there we go. That's basically the strap right here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.